Glow Kids. Little light, big glow.
The Little Bird and the Lost Kitten. In a quiet village, a little bird named Timmy loved to sing every morning. One day, while flying over the village, he saw a tiny kitten crying near a big tree. The kitten, Mimi, had wandered too far from home and couldn't find her way back. Timmy felt sad for her and decided to help. Even though he was just a small bird, he knew that love meant caring for others. Timmy flew around asking the other animals for help. The kind old dog, Bruno, led the way, and the friendly squirrel, Kiki, climbed the trees to look for Mimi's home. After a long search, they found a house with a worried mother cat looking for her baby. Mimi ran happily to her mother and everyone cheered.
Mimi's home, she jumps so high. Mama hugs her, no more cry. Timmy sings, the friends all cheer. Love has brought them joy so dear. Spin around, let's clap and play. Smiles and laughter fill the day. Kindness makes the world so bright. Shining hearts like golden light.
Mimi thanked Timmy and his friends for their kindness. The village animals learned an important lesson that day. Love means helping others, no matter how big or small. Just like the Bible says, "Love one another as I have loved you," John 13:34. And let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth, 1 John 3:18. From that day on, Timmy and his friends always looked for ways to show love to others.